What is up, everybody? Today I'm going to talk about Sam Bankman-Fried's DC House. I was scrolling around the World Wide Web and I came across his property located in Washington, DC, and actually it's on the market for sale, which I'm going to do another video on. And so I wanted to get on Google Earth and just check it out a little bit, and found some shocking information in terms of its location and proximity. So if you've been living under a rock, Sam Bankman-Fried is in some deep shit right now. It is considered maybe one of the largest frauds ever to ever happen. The SEC charged Sam Bankman-Fried with defrauding investors in crypto asset trading platform FTX. FTX raised more than $1.8 billion from equity investors, including $1.1 billion from approximately 90 US-based investors, including Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank. We allege that Sam Bankman-Fried built a house of cards on a foundation of deception while telling investors that it was one of the safest buildings in crypto, said the SEC chair. Now let's check out Google Earth and see exactly where this property is located. So it's at 420 3rd Street, Northeast Washington, D.C. Let's go ahead and scroll into this. Get right into the nitty gritty. As mentioned, I'm going to do another video on this townhome for sale and show you guys information and pictures and everything else. Obviously, he's probably forced to sell all assets going through this bankruptcy and these charges. And he's probably going to need a good amount of money to get out of the deep, dark water that he's sitting in right now. But this is what I found to be very interesting right here. Look at this, look at this. So we got his townhome, okay? And then if we scroll right over here, look at this. His townhome is right here, okay? We walk down this road, then down this road, and then up here. And what building do we have right here on the left-hand side? What is this? That is right. It's the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. It's their world headquarters, I believe. I mean, how ironic is this? And was there something we don't know? Why would he have a townhome so close to the SEC? I don't know. You guys tell me. To me, it looks like too close for comfort, but maybe he had some friends up in the SEC. Maybe some got paid off, maybe some didn't. I am just throwing some bullshit assumptions out there. I want to hear what you guys think. And also, as mentioned, I got another video coming out on that townhome for sale. We're going to go through the pictures. We're going to go through the description and everything else and see what it looks like and see how Sam Bankman-Fried was living in Washington, D.C. As always, I appreciate you guys being here with me today. I'll see you guys on the next video. See you.